Here's how you can remove a credit card from Western Union. So if you want to remove a credit card, you will need to use a PC or desktop laptop and just go to the Western Union website and log in with your information here. So just do this very quickly and then I will show you how we can proceed. Okay, so once you have logged in, just give it some time here to load up. And it's gonna look like this. Now, once we have logged into the Western Union website, we will click on our name in the top right corner, and then it's going to load up our profile. So once our profile loads here on Western Union, we want to go into payment preferences. So click on payment preferences, and here you will be able to see all of your credit or debit cards which are currently associated with your account. So if you want to remove a credit or debit card from Western Union, you will see an option right here to remove the card, and you can do it from this screen, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.